We are here in Sangyup spot. Puno yung wala pang vacant. So, kailangan namin maghintay muna. We are here in Sangyup. Sangyup spot. Pero si Papa ay naghanap ng lechon. Wala pa napulan si Papa sa lechon. Naghahanap pa rin siya ng lechon. Papa, unsay ikasulti nimo sa ani nga pagkaon versus sa katong mga lechon-lechon? Asay mas lami kani dere or dito? Ayara. Si Mama. Ha? Luto na daan. Mahago kang luto. Mahago nagluto dere. Sushi. Hello, people. So we are here in Miko's Brew. Miko's Brew. There. We're having a dinner because it's like a Thanksgiving for my sister's new car. Ito siya. Ayan. So, yeah, we're here with everybody in the house. Dito kami kumain ng kakain ng dinner for like Thanksgiving para sa sasakyan. And then while waiting sa order namin, ang kukulit ng mga bata pag magkasama sila. 3, 2, 1. Super kulit. So, inilabas ko na muna si Chantal. Baby. Yes, this is the flower. You want more? Yeah. Okay, there you go. Let's check if the food is already there. Actually, yung sasakyan is ngayon lang talaga siya dumating. And only me ang may alam na kukuha sila ng sasakyan. And everybody was like a bit of shock. Kasi umuwi sila na meron ng sasakyan. So, they are my family. Hinihintay lang namin yung order. Then, lakad-lakad muna kami ni Chantal. Kasi ang kukulit nila sa loob, lagi sila nag-aaway ni Jet. Okay, let's go in. Mommy, help you. Finally, after 1 hour, na-serve na ang sabaw. Sabaw pa lang. Baday, come here. What's this? Pancit bihon. Look at these two kids still sleeping. I'm ready for our flight back to Malaysia. Pero ang dalawang to, tulog pa. Pero nakabihis na yan. They're wearing clothes na para pang biyahe. Pinasuot ko na lang sa kanila
since 2 hours na lang yung tulog namin kasi late kami nakauwi because of the dinner last night. So, ayan. I'm just waiting sa Cisco. Then, after that, pag ready na kami, pupunta ng sasakyan, saka ko sila gigisingin or kakargahin ko na lang si Chantal at si Crystal naman gigisingin. So, yeah. Safe flight to us. And we gonna miss this room. Time check nga pala is 2:30 and aalis na kami ngayon bago mag-3 kasi biyahe pa from our place to airport.
Just an update. Now ni Chantal. Okay, just an update. Say hi.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, Mommy. Say bye-bye, Nanay.
Bye, Nanay.
Bye-bye, Tatay. Bye-bye, everyone. Okay, just an update. Andito na kami ngayon sa Davao International Airport and andito na din kami sa gate. So, time now is already 5 something. Tapos yung flight namin is 6:30. So, we're just having a chill here. My baggage is already checked in. So, I think it's gonna be okay na ride. Hindi siya, hindi nakakapagod kasi wala akong bibit-bitin. Only yung pack bag. 2 pack bag na mga gamit ni Chantal like tubig at saka gatas. And then yung isa naman is for our documents. So, yeah. Wala akong masyadong bibit-bitin. So, see you Penang later. Pero dadaan pa kami syempre ng Singapore. So, our flight is same as dati na Davao to Singapore, then Singapore to Penang.
Hotel landing station, please. Thank you.
We just landed in Singapore International Airport. Me and the kids now is having our meal.
Burger meal.
Burger meal.
Burger meal.
Parang ito ang pinakamadali na pagkain na nakita namin. So, Crystal is already eating. Me and Chantal is going to eat. This is your cheese burger. Eat it. Cheese. No, bite. Wow, this is a huge burger. Yeah.
Hey, Brizzy. Yo, Mommy. I'll just put in the salad.
Oh, this is so big.
Mommy.
The burger is quite big.
Quite big.
It's big.
Big.
And,
I mean ultra big XL.
how to open this? We have this pie, cake pie,
Bye.
and also our salad. Supposed to be yung o-orderin ko, merong turkey ham. Namali ako sa pag-order. Never mind, let's eat. Also, I didn't see B7 is here. I'm not wearing my glasses. Chantal, are you okay? Yeah? Okay, let's go to our gate. and then the wipes, you throw in the rubbish bin. Not in the toilet bowl. We are currently in the toilet. Singapore toilet. Pwede kang tumambay dito at matulog. Hi, where are you going? Bye. You're going to Philippines? Bye-bye. Naka-boarding na kami dito sa plane. Kanina sobrang sleepy namin habang naghihintay kasi we are 20 minutes late and now finally andito na kami. Gusto ko nang matulog, inaantok ako, sobrang nakakapagod. Uwi na ako sa Penang.